Hello, this tutorial is going to show you how to log in to your account on ServSafe and then how to redeem your course that I gave you with the course key. I know it was a little confusing in class today, so if you told me you were having issues, I was able to log into your account and redeem your course key as long as you shared your information with me. And I'm sure some of you just did not finish or did not get logged in, so please watch this from start to finish and try to get your access to your course. So number one, the problem is you need to access this via Internet Explorer. All right. So once you get into Internet Explorer, you're just the same thing, servsafe.com. You're going to go to login, and I'm using Miss Maya from period 1 to show you how to redeem her course. All right. So she gave me her login information. You don't need to know her password. You'll put yours. Again, if you have not created a username or a password, it's for your own use. And then you're going to save that right in this document. So username, password, make sure that this is in your folder. And then you're going to submit it at the end of all of this. So here is Miss Maya's, she got in. How do I know she got in? It will say right here, welcome Maya. All right. So you can do one of two things. You can access your class by going to the dashboard, or you can go to ServSafe Food Handler. I'm going to go to ServSafe Food Handler, just like so. And I'm going to scroll down to where it says online class or course. Okay, so I went on, I pressed on Food Handler, take online course. You can also scroll down, online course. All right, my online courses just has me logged in as student. Okay, start your course. Well, I have to redeem my course key first. So the number that I gave you in your email, you're going to copy and paste it just like that. Okay, so it looks like that. Copy and paste, press redeem. And then now you have access to your course. All right, this is Maya's course. So I'm going to put begin in English. All right, accept. And now she can begin. Okay. Just like so. All right. Now, the nice thing is on the upper right-hand corner, you're not going to be able to see it because it's not letting me, let me see. Yeah. It will show you completed. All right. So as you're working on this Monday, Tuesday, or even if you work on it this weekend, it's going to show me if you take a screenshot, you can show me how much you have completed, or I can ask you to share your screen with me. So it's really important that you are working through this. You can see the menu. So you have to go through the introduction. It will not let you move forward without the introduction. So you have module 1, food safety is important. Module 2, good personal hygiene. Module 3, controlling time and temp. Module 4, cross-contamination, and then module 5, which is cleaning and sanitizing. All right. After you're done with all of those, it will prompt you to do the course specific. You'll do all of those, and then it will let you take the certification test. Okay. On our document, there is review if you need review. Just a reminder, you're not required to take any notes on any of this, but it is encouraged because you can use the notes on the test. All right. And then that is it. So if you have questions, please let me know. Thank you. Hopefully that was helpful.